Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Vasha and I am the owner of 790. If you're new here, welcome cousin, and if you're returning, hey fam. In today's video, I will be making our turquoise sugar scrub. Stay tuned to see us make this scrub. I'm going to start this scrub off with a base that I make myself, which is made with stearic acid, aloe vera juice, SCI powder, cocoa betaine, glycerin, and preservative. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get this base measured out so that I can begin mixing in my additional ingredients. Now that we've got this weighed out, I am going to be adding our melted shea butter in now, and this is going to help to smooth and soften the skin. Alright, next up we have MCT oil, which is an excellent emollient. It's going to bring that moisture to the skin and help lock it in. It does not have that greasy feeling that you get with a lot of other oils. Now I'm just adding a blue mica powder. I know it's not turquoise, but this is the color that I wanted, so this is the color that I'm adding. And with that white base, it should lighten it up a little bit to even out and give a nice color. I also added the fragrance oil in this, but I had to switch out my battery camera, so that part I did not get. So here I am just, I love to mix stuff up. I do have stand mixers. I think I have 3 of them, but sometimes I just like to, it wasn't working. It was going everywhere, so I kind of just let it go a little bit and just use the whisk end of it, because I couldn't find my hand whisk that's not attached to electronic device. So I'm literally just hand whisking it even though it's attached. This is my favorite part, just mixing it all together in here. And you're going to see me, I'm using the back of the spatula to kind of mash it into the bowl, just in case there are any chunks of the white base that didn't get mixed in properly. Now that we know everything is off the bottom of the bowl, the side of the bowl, it mixed up completely, I'm going to go ahead and put it into my piping bag to prepare for piping. Please excuse this footage. I meant to set up a different viewpoint, so you're only getting the viewpoint from kind of overhead, and my hand is in the way. I do apologize for that, not getting a different viewpoint for you all. But here I'm just adding it to our Tuscany jar to prepare for finalizing the packaging for this particular turquoise scrub. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure, if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with what we have going on here at 790 and see the behind the scenes of us making our actual products. I am also going to be working on candles coming up. I want to add that to our collection of things. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of me starting to make candles from start to finish. So make sure you do, again, subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you can continue to see behind the scenes of my business.